Hello everyone, this is Asim from Trade with Asim and Sajjad, and today I am here to give you a review of a new platform of CFD Global. Before I start my review, I would ask all my audience to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Starting with my presentation on CFD Global platform, I would start from all the major assets that we have with CFD Global. On my left side, you can see that we have got all the major currencies, miners, crypto, indices, bonds, energy, commodities, metals, and the shares. You can see on the left hand side all the my account overview, my balance, equity, free margin, and the margin used, and the profit and loss, which is currently zero as I don't have any positions open. You can see we have got a demo. You can switch to a demo platform, as well as we have got a real platform as well. So let's wait for the platform to load. This is the demo platform, but I will take you through the real platform so that you have got real experience with CFD Global platform. It's loading the platform. It's really nice with very good features being embedded in this platform. So starting my first position, I would like to, let's suppose I'm just reading some of an analysis and I would expect euro USD to go down. So I would like to sell this one by clicking the sell button here. But before I ask you how you can find your instrument, so you have got, let's suppose you have got a search button and you are looking for, let's say, GBP USD or any of the GBP pairs. So you type GBP USD, you get all the pairs, and by clicking the star you can add them to your favorites. Here we are with GBP USD. So I would like to open a sell position on GBP USD. Currently it's 85,000, but I would like to reduce it to let's say 50,000, and the margin required is 340. I would take a profit just to manage my risk, and I would put $100 profit and $100 loss. The $100 loss is a little bit of less. I need to manage it because it might hit the stop loss very quickly. So I have put place an order. Now in order to place the order, I need to place this button. But before that, you can see here it's a sell and buy. It's showing how much is the change. Is it positive or negative? What is the minimum lot size that we can take? Overnight interest time, leverage, how much leverage I have, and if there is any rollover date, and also the buyer trends. So how many people are selling and how many people are buying. I will not follow the trend, and I will follow the analysis that I have did, and I will place an order on GBP USD as a sell order. Here we are with the sell order. It has been placed and it started with $100, and it's going to be variable. So we will see and we will look into it how much it's going to go. Now I would also show you, you can see we have got some position and some orders. So I'll also try to take some position, some more position with euro USD. Let's suppose EUR and all the pair came. So now I'm expecting that as I have already got, I will delete this order so that I can show it to you that how can we place an order. I'm expecting that if it will cross 1700, the pair should go into a buy. So for that one, I would place an advance order. I will click on sell. I will select my quantity. I will make it 50 as well. I'll click on take profit and take stop loss. I will select sell order when it's above. I want to place the order when it's above. Sorry, when it's below. When it's above, I'll place when it's above. So let's suppose if it's above 1715, I will just increase it a little bit more to 1705. Now you can see that's how I have taken I would be placing the order. So here we go, we will place the order. and that's the order. If you wish to see your order, let's suppose I'm at my open position, so here we will see if we got an open position. Here we can see that we have got a sell limit as well, so you can see here the entry point is here. You can edit as well with all the changes that you want to, but on the other platform it's hard to edit, and but it's one of the great feature in CFD Global that has been provided to us to edit all the entry points. If you wish to see further your open positions, I would like you to just bring your cursor here and expand, drag below here. Same with the orders, you can just drag it, and if you are unable to see your position, you can just place your cursor and you can check it from here. You can edit them as well. Same with the open position. As I can see, I have an open position with a positive and I would love to close it. So um, rather than waiting for TP, as it's really greatly going towards the TP, I will just make it a close so that I can show you some history for today. You can see it's really greatly going. I will just close it, and with $29. That's great. Good job. So now you can see my balance has been increased and I got no open position and I got just one sell limit so that I can trade on. Looking into Euro USD, the spread is comparatively really great. It depends on when the spread is. It vary from different numbers, but it has got a very low spread of 10 pips, as well as gold has got 35 pips, plus oil has got around 10 to 15 pips. It's very awesome that the spread is really low, and we can trade, and it's really great for those who are doing scalping in the market. Moving on further, I would show you some details about your account, but before I go further, I will show you how I can check my account statements or the report I have. Let's suppose I want to generate some reports, which is here. I will have my statement of account. As you can see, how much is the total P&L or any closed position for today. Also, you can see your closed positions, if there was any profit, any loss. As you can see, the gold I got with negative $126, plus I had a profit of $29. You can close this one from here. Also, you can see any cancel orders which I have cancelled. So it's really great. If you want to see all the reports, it's available. Further on, moving on to more technical things that a technical trader would like to look for any platform. We have got Trading Central, which I will explain in further detail, but I will show you how to turn it on. In my platform, the Trading Central is already turned on, and you can see by clicking here, you can turn it on and turn it off. I'll save the changes, and you can see just below the instrument that you are getting all the analysis of this technical analysis of the instrument or the currency pair. Let's suppose about Euro USD, it has marked all its resistances and support as well, and the pivot. Always when you see the pivot, if any position is below, any currency pair is below the pivot, it means it's a bearish trend, and if it's above the pivot, it means it's a bullish trend. Another technical tool is multi-charts. It's a really great trading tool for those professional traders who want to see multiple charts and want to monitor the market through multiple windows, and they can same like the MT4 offers. So it's a really great tool. You can try it and you will like it. You can also make it a full screen, so it's going to be much more clear view for you guys. Further, moving on to some insider stuff like analyst recommendation and bloggers opinion. So insider stuff is a great tool for those who are trading shares. Insider is stuff is all about that if there is any people working, let's suppose an Apple, and there are 14 people, which the current sentiment shows that 14 insider has done 30 transaction of sold, so they have sold their shares, which means that it's kind of a negative sentiment, and we should stop ourselves from buying, because there are some people which knows that maybe it's a good time to sell, so we can sell the position at that time as the sentiment is negative. There can be different reports which you can view the detailed report by clicking here. You can also click here about the Facebook and all that shares that you can see, and it's updated every now and then. You need to keep your eye on it closely. Looking into further analysis and analyst recommendation, it's really great recommendation as well. It's similar to the excuse me, it's similar to the insider, but the insider is much more uh, precise, I would say. But the also the analysts also have got good recommendation, and they have very good uh, reviews about these analysts, and they're world top analysts, financial analysts who have got close eye on these shares, and they're always giving you how to recommending you if you can buy, you can sell, or you can hold the share with you. So it's really great for those people who are buying shares and selling shares on CFD. Going into the last sentimental tool, which is the blogger's opinion. But the blogger's opinion, in last couple of weeks we don't have any blogger's opinion. It has got some 50,000 financial expert, which gives us this ability in order to give their opinion, and we can trade on. Further on, moving on to the deposit section, where you can deposit the money using the following methods, like wire transfer, credit card, Skrill, Nettler, and fast bank transfer. And the website is secure. You can withdraw as well. We have got a verification center here. You can upload your proof of identification and proof of residence so that you can be verified by the compliance. um, Going into the setting, we have got some great setting. You can change your password. You got leverage setting. You got some information, notification. We got feature of the platform. You can change the theme of the platform, like to dark, from light, from basic to advanced. So it's really great to have those settings as well. Reports, I took you can contact the support. We have got live chat, and we have got MetaTrader accounts as well. It's really great platform, and it's really great to have and trade on this platform. That's all regarding the overview of CFD Global. If you wish to register for the platform, I have given the registration link just below this video in the description. Click on the description to register. If you like my video, the review of CFD Global, kindly give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.